Welcome back, book lovers. Today we're diving into one of the most beloved and drama filled tropes in the romance world, enemies to lovers. There's just something about two characters who start off bickering only to fall hopelessly in love that makes this trope irresistible. Whether you're here for slow burn, sizzling banter, or emotional payoff, I've got recommendations that will leave your heart racing. First up, a classic, The Hating Game by Sally Thorne. Lucy and Joshua are co-workers turned rivals who hate each other, or so they think. Their sarcastic banter and undeniable chemistry create a story filled with laugh, longing, and a whole lot of sexual tension. This one practically defines the truth. Set in 1920s Shanghai, These Violent Delights is a dark, thrilling take on Romeo and Juliet with a deadly twist. Roma and Juliet are from rival gangs with a shared bloody history and unresolved feelings. If you like your enemies to lovers with political intrigue, betrayal, and tension you can cut with a knife, this duology is for you. Icebreaker brings the fire to the ice ring. When figure skater Anastasia is forced to share the rink with hockey captain Nathan, tensions fly, and so do sparks. It's sweet, spicy, and full of the kind of misunderstandings that makes this troop shine. If you like your enemies magical and morally grey, The Cruel Prince delivers. Jude and Carden are stuck in a deadly game of politics and power in the Fey world, where their hatred simmers just beneath an undeniable attraction. This is enemies to lovers done the dark Fey way. You might not expect Beach Read to be an enemies to lovers tale, but it is, at least at first. January and Gus are rival authors with very different views on life and love. Forced into close proximity, their rivalry turns into an intense emotional connection. It's heartfelt, witty, and so satisfying. Witch meets Witch Hunter. Need I say more? Serpent and Dove is packed with snarky dialogue, reluctant alliances, and intense romantic tension between Lou and Reed. Perfect for fans of fantasy and fairy romance. If you prefer your romances a little darker and more twisted, Vicious is for you. Vicious and Amelia have history, and it's not pretty. But beneath the cruelty lies a raw, powerful connection neither can ignore. It's intense, toxic, and strangely addictive. Fake dating? Check. Workplace enemies? Check. Slow burn? Double check. The Spanish Love Deception is a modern rom-com that hits all the right notes, with Catalina and Aaron's chemistry sparking from page 1. We cannot talk about enemies to lovers without mentioning A Court of Mist and Fury. Without spoiling too much, let's just say, Fear's relationship evolves in the most satisfying way possible. If you know, you know. Punk 57 is gritty, emotional, and intense. Misha and Ryan were pen pals who hated each other in real life. When their worlds collide, the sparks are undeniable, but so is the emotional baggage. This one's a roller coaster. Enemies to Lover is more than a trope. It's a journey of tension, growth, and eventual vulnerability. If you are craving even more, check out Shatter Me by Tahira Mafi, Red, White, and Royal Blue by Casey McQuiston, or Love and Other Words by Christina Lauren. Which of these enemies to lovers book have you read or are adding to your TBR? Drop your favorites in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a bookish recommendation. Until next time, may your romances be swoony and your characters full of sass.